You're listening to Sounds for a Chosen Generation.
We don't see the world the same, but we're stronger that way. Different gifts, different views, yeah, one mission every day. Where I'm quiet, you bring courage. Where you rush, I help you slow. And somehow God makes harmony out of every place we grow. It's not about being the same, it's about what God can do when He takes two different people and makes one purpose shine through. Opposite sides as one, walking together in the light of the sun. Different voices, different ways, but one truth we obey. Hand in hand His work gets done. We move as opposite sides as one. Opposite sides as one. Opposite sides. You see mountains where I see valleys. I see time in where you see speed, but God uses every contrast to give each moment what it needs. Not competing, but completing two designs in one call. And when we lean into His wisdom, together we stand tall. It's not about blending in, it's about aligning hearts, letting God use every difference to build something set apart. Opposite sides as one, walking together in the light of the sun. Different voices, different ways, but one truth we obey. Hand in hand His work gets done. We move as opposite sides as one.
You're listening to Sounds for a Chosen Generation.
Unity isn't sameness, it's purpose in motion. It's trust, it's faith, it's God's perfect devotion. He shapes our steps, and strength is what we've begun. So we stand opposite sides as one. Opposite sides as